So I'm very, very glad and also very proud to inform you about a workshop that is taking place at our school. This year's topic is democracy.
Of course, journalists are one of the saviors of democracy. That's their main role, because what you see is that many people are confronted with democracy topics in their daily life but don't actually realize it. We take so many things for granted in our daily lives.
Future skills are so-called 21st century skills like creativity, imagination, collaborative teamwork. Young people need to get every opportunity to work on their future skills. So I also think it's important to get different perspectives from external experts.
What I try to do at this workshop is give some input at how I look at things from a journalistic perspective, from my professional background.
Last year we did another workshop about humans and robots and how they can live together. Did you enjoy it?
I really enjoyed it.
After the workshop we also painted these sticks. Every color represents one characteristic of a robot and of a human.
I'm very happy that the democracy workshop is being held at our school, because democracy values cannot be taken for granted.
I'm really curious what pupils will come up with, how they perceive their daily life situations at school.